Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do head cleaning cycles on an Epson WP-4535. This is nice and simple. We're done using nothing but the screen and the control panel you can see here. To get ourselves started, we need to go into the setup menu, which we do by pressing this button here, represented with a screwdriver and a spanner. And once we're in there, we need to go down to maintenance, which is the second option. So we press down and then OK. And then we need to go into head cleaning, which is the second option. So again, down and OK. This is the kind of print quality we're looking to avoid here, with either lines down the prints or completely missing colours, shown by that bottom image. So press OK. As these cleans do use up ink because they're physically forcing ink through the printer's printhead, you've got the option to do all four colours, just the three colours, or black only. So use up and down to select whichever option you like. And then if you take a look to the right, you just need to press one of these start buttons to get going. Now this will take your printer just a minute. You'll hear lots of clicks and whirs coming from the printer as it's pushing that ink through the printhead. But if we give it just a minute, with the clean complete, you are taken to this page, which gives you the option to both finish cleaning or print a nozzle check, which is like a test page that shows your printer's ability to produce the four colours which it uses, and should give you a good idea of the overall quality of your prints and make any kind of missing colours or additional breaks pretty obvious. From here you can just do cleaning cycles and test pages until you hopefully see an improvement in your print quality. Hope this video has been useful for you. If it has, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.